Hey guys, good morning, good afternoon, good night, wherever you are. Once again, my name is Victor Aguina, and I am not a frog in this slide, man. If you call me a frog, if you call me a frog. All right, in this very short 15 minutes presentation, I want to show you exactly how you can make money online with no capital in 2022. And the reason why I'm doing this video is because a whole lot of people, reach out to me. When you kind of tell them that in order to get so and so knowledge, you have to buy so and so because they feel like you're trying to rip them off the money, or you probably just don't have the money to pay for courses. So I decided to make this video so that I can help you if you fall within that category of people who don't have money to start a business. This is going to be beneficial for you. Okay, so before I get right straight into the presentation, if you have not subscribed to my channel, please do well to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification button icon, show the icon as well, so that whenever I publish a new video, you'll be the first to watch that video. Okay. So with that being said, I'm going to show you three business models that you can start with no capital. If you don't have money, you can start with this so that you can raise some money, and then you can now use that money to grow your internet business. And I'm going to start with the shoe dropshipping business. I'm starting with this because I actually have a group. I have a WhatsApp group with over 400 and something people. I'm hoping to fill it up and to create more subgroups so that I can accommodate more people. The aim is to get up to four WhatsApp groups with at least 500 people. That makes it up to 2,000 people that I will be empowering to make money via shoe dropshipping. All right. So what exactly is shoe dropshipping? Basically, it's about you being a middleman. You are going to be like an intermediary between the people who want to buy shoes and the seller of the shoes. All right. Now, here's what I did. I created this dropshipping group so that you can get pictures of the shoes, and you can promote these pictures on your WhatsApp, on your Facebook, on your Instagram, Twitter, wherever you find space online. And when this customer reaches out to you and he pays, of course, you're going to add your profit. You take out the profit and you send me the money for the shoe plus the delivery fee, and I'll package this shoe and send it straight to your customer. So basically, you're not spending any money unless otherwise you want to do paid ads. But most of the people I have on the group who are really doing well, like these, I have like two, three people doing 100K and more per month. They actually just leverage on their WhatsApp contacts. Like I usually tell them, just create a WhatsApp broadcast list and reach out to these people and tell them you sell shoes and that you'll be updating them with the new shoes that you have from time to time. Then I also taught these guys how to create a store. I think I have that video on here. I taught them how to create a store on Bumper app so that you can actually just have all the products I share in the group. You can have it on your Bumper store. So whenever somebody wants to order, you can just simply share your link with the person, and the person places an order from the Bumper store. All right. So, like I said earlier, it's about you being a middleman, right? You don't need any money to get started. All you need to get started with this business is your phone and your data, of course. So if you're looking for, a low cost business or a business that you can start with no capital, then you should consider joining my dropshipping group. I'm going to place the link right below in the description of this video, and I'm also going to place a link to the video I created about this whole dropshipping group. So that's not about that. Then number two is affiliate marketing with stick cuts, right? Now, a lot of people want to get into the affiliate marketing business, but they usually faced with the hurdle of, will I call it hurdle? Okay, based on the fact that they don't have money to pay for anything upfront. They have this challenge of making paying that maybe 10,000 naira or 15,000 naira to the affiliate platforms before they join. Now, the major affiliate platforms in Nigeria usually require um, an amount of money, some 10,000 naira, some 15,000 naira for you to get started. And the reason why they're doing that is because they don't want just anybody. Because, you know, most times Nigerians tend to abuse free things. All right. Nigerian tends to abuse free things. So I don't blame any of the platforms that require you to pay money before you get started. But I found a platform that doesn't, they don't ask you to pay any money to join. And I just recently created an account on that platform. I've really not started doing anything much there, but I said I'm going to share it with my subscribers so that you can get started with affiliate marketing without spending any money upfront. And then the good thing about this platform is the fact that they also offer you free training, free affiliate marketing training. So you get started with the business, you get free training. So all you have to do is to follow what you have in the free training. And then if you're going to spend any money, it's just gonna be money on ads, right? But you can start with the free methods of promoting, posting on your Facebook and WhatsApp status and all that. You know, you can use that strategy to make some money, and then you can now put that money back into your business and start running paid ads. All right. So let's let's go to the stake code website www.stakecord.com. All right. So once you're here, you click on the sign up button. Okay. And good thing about Staycut is that you can actually sell to other countries, not just Nigerians. You can sell to people in the US, you can sell to people in the UK, you can sell to people in Ghana, you can sell to people in Cameroon, in South Africa. And another beautiful thing about Staycut is the fact that when people click on your affiliate link and they don't buy, probably they were trying to buy and it doesn't go through, you will actually have access to their details, their email address and phone number, so that you can just follow up and close the sale. All right. So I already have an account, but let's it's just very very simple. Okay, you just come here, first name Victor, last name, email. Let me use this email. Okay, I already created an account, but let me see if I can create another account. And then it says sign up, right? So once you sign up, it tells you to check your email. All right, they'll send you a verification link. So let's go right straight to my email and okay. So yeah, this is the email. I like the way this guy is kind of funkyized, funkyized their stuff. Okay, it says you, Victor, you're now a sticker that your account has been created. Okay, this is the code. It says just use this code below to verify your email address and start in. All right, so I'm going to copy this code right now. I'm going to copy this code, and then I'm going to come here and enter the code. All right, so verify. Ta-da! We are in. All right, so let me log in right now and show you um, what it looks like. So you see, you're getting this account absolutely free. So all you need to do is to focus on promoting the courses and go through the training. All right, go through the training that State Court is going to provide for you. All right, so look at it. You're not paying any money. All right. So, they have stages. As a new affiliate, I'm a junior affiliate member. When I make up to, I think, 50 sales or thereabouts, I'll get upgraded, right? So, this is a marketplace where you can see all the courses for free, right? These are the courses. So, just take your time and go through the courses to see this Amazon KDP for smartphone is the bestseller on the platform. So you can just click on this place where it says promote, and you're gonna get your affiliate link. All right, this is the JV page that the seller has provided for you, so you can see if they have stuffs, that will help you promote the products. They usually have these resources, maybe script for ads and all those kind of things, and follow up messages to help you sell. All right, so they're actually making this thing easy for you to make money. All right, so this is the materials from this vendor, webinar videos, blah 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 blah, all that. So they're making it easy, very easy for you to sell, right? So if you want to get your affiliate link, you just click on this place, right? You click on it, you click on it, okay? So this is your affiliate link, right? So you can copy it and wherever you share this stuff, people, wherever you share this link with people and they buy, all right, you are going to make money. Okay, so I mean, so whenever you share this your link now and they buy, you're gonna make money. I think this guy pays he's paying 50% of $32.33. He's in dollars, so you can sell to a foreign audience. All right. So the last this thing we want to look at right now is the arbitrage with Gigi. Um, one thing about this one is very, very, very simple. There are two ways to go about it. The first way to go about it is to look for cars, and in your area, you look for cars. You go to the mechanics that where people go to sample their Nigerian used cars, and you want to focus on um car like Corolla, 2004, 2005 Corolla because they sell quickly. All right, Corolla or Camry, 2004, 2005. You can start with those ones so that you can sell quickly. All right. So you discuss with them and tell them that you are an online marketer and you want to help them sell their car, and they tell you, okay, this guy is like, I think a 2004 Corolla right now is 2.2, a very clean one, 2.1, 2.2. Some you can see 1.9. So you just discuss with them and tell them you want to help them sell the car, and they can tell you, okay, whatever you add is your own money. But you now tell them that, okay, if the customer now comes here and he buys at your price, how much are you going to give me? Some will tell you they'll give you 50K, some will tell you they'll give you 30K. All right, so you sell like three cars in a week. That is 90,000 naira. So you get as many cars as you can in your area. Just look around. And just look around. You understand that you can also go on Facebook Marketplace. If you see anybody selling, you can ask them, do the same thing, broker the same deal, and tell them, okay, when I sell, how much are you going to give me? Or if I sell for an amount that is more than what you're selling, I'm going to take what is on top. Okay, so but it's better you start in your area so that you can have control. If the customer is coming around, you can quickly just go to the mechanic shop or wherever it is that the car is sampled, so that you can be there when everything happens and you can collect your commission immediately, because these guys can be very, very, very funny. So another way to go about this is, to go to the Gigi app and look for products that you can sell. So all you need to do is you go to Gigi.ng. When you get to Gigi.ng, you can actually just come and search for car tracking devices. I already searched for this stuff, that's why it's popping up. Okay, so there are different kind of car trackers. What you need to do is you can negotiate with these people, right, and ask them, okay, I'm reselling. You tell them that you're reselling and ask them how much you are going to sell to you, right? You can just go to hello, I am interested in selling your car tracking device. How much will you give me so I can so okay? So you just go there and chat with all of these people, right? And then when after chatting with them, you now ask them if they have videos. Our videos are very, very helpful in selling this stuff. As soon as you get your video, go to Facebook, create a Facebook page, and use that video, right? Create a Facebook post on that page with the video, and then you do the write up. When you do the write up, you simply click on boost, all right, on Facebook. This will require you to spend some little amount of money on ads. I don't know how much your pocket is, or you can start with as little as 1,000 naira. So when you boost the ad, people start chatting you up, and then you start making money, because when they chat you up and they want it, you just come to the vendor here and tell the person, okay, I have an order, and can you deliver to so and so person? This is how much the person will pay, and then he delivers, and then you collect your money. All right, so that's basically it. I'll be having more of these videos, okay, so that you can start something even if you feel you don't have nothing. I wish you a very, very wonderful online.